Oh, horses out. We have Kiss Me. Pass to begin. Showmaster in the middle. Down on the inside. Shut up. Don Vito comes next. And Star Turk is the early trailer. We have Showmaster by about 2.5 lengths. Don Vito in the middle is Kiss Me. Running by the rail is Shut Up. 4 lengths in fifth is Star Turk who's racing in less. Into the turn they gallop. Showmaster by about 2.5 lengths. Shut Up. Now moving up by the rail to take second. 2 lengths away in third. Kiss Me. Don Vito still in fourth and Star Turk. They zooming into the back. And that's still Showmaster by a length. And in second still is Shut Up. Kiss Me now trying to get closer in third. Don Vito in fourth and Star Turk. Meanwhile, we have Showmaster still in control by Oralenga and a half. Shut Up still in second. Kiss Me remains in third. Then comes Star Turk and Don Vito. Showmaster by about 2 lengths now. Shut Up in second. Kiss Me now trying to get closer in third. Then comes Don Vito and Star Turk. Showmaster by about a neck down on the inside. He's Shut Up moving up on the outside now is Kiss Me. As they come down at the last 150. Showmaster Kiss Me is on the outside. Showmaster Kiss Me fighting it out for the leader. But it's still Showmaster Kiss Me is on the outside. Showmaster Kiss Me and hitting the finish line. It's Showmaster Kiss Me. Shut Up is Star Turk and Don Vito.
Nanakot pa si Kiss Me.
Oo nga.